If you are new to editing, go to your Play Store or App Store for iOS and download CapCut. Then download InShot and VN Editor. The reason I want us to be using other apps all together with CapCut is because, as you all know recently, that all CapCut main features have now all entered their Pro version, and it's not everybody that has the money to subscribe to their Pro version. So CapCut is really after our lives this period. Stick to this page, as I will be sharing with you on daily basis tips and tutorials on how to edit your videos by yourself using CapCut, InShot and VN Editor. But right away, we are starting with CapCut. Alright, so let's get to work. Welcome to CapCut. Alright, this is my CapCut. When you download your CapCut and install it, you are going to see this screen after accepting the necessary terms and conditions. Alright, so you are going to see new project, but you are not going to see all these videos here because these are the initial videos, my projects that I already have at hand editing in this my CapCut. So if you are new to editing, let me explain these things to you. So let's go ahead and start. Now, for you to start editing your video, first of all, you have to click on new project to import the particular video clip you want to work on or you want to work with. So let me go ahead and click on new project. Then it's going to take you to your gallery. Right here, you are going to select from the list of videos here the particular video clip you want to work with. So let me go ahead and click on one video. Maybe I want to work on this particular video or any other video. Then again, if you want to edit or if you want to import 2 or more video clips into your editor, all you need to do is just to be marking them, mark them. Then the number of video clips you've selected so far will be listed out here. All right, so these are the number of video clips I will be having. If I should go ahead and click on add, so these 3 clips will be added to my editing panel, but I do not want to import 3 video clips at the same time. So let me go ahead to unselect them. Either you click on here to unselect them or you can come down here to click on this minus button here to unselect. All right, so we are now left with 1 video clip that we are going to be importing into our editor. So let me go ahead and click on add. Now, that is how to import your video clip into your editor. Then after importing your video into your editor, the next thing we are going to explain is that we are going to explain this editing panel here, the options we have here and their duties or their work so far, all right, or their roles in the editing process. Now, the first one here is this white line here. This white line here is called the playhead. Now, the work of this playhead is that the playhead shows you the point that any change you are making, that is going to show you the particular point, the exact point the changes will be made in your video. All right, so the playhead is what shows you the point of your video. It shows you the point where your video or your video clip or your audio clip is while making any change you are making on your editing screen. So the playhead is there to guide you. Then after the playhead, this is your video clip. Now on the video clip, we actually have 2 lines in this editing screen. Now this first line is the main track video clip, while the second one, if I should add any other video under this particular video, is going to be called an overlaid video clip track. All right, so it's going to be called the overlaid video clip. So this is the main video clip on the main track video, while if I should add another one, like I said before, it's going to be the overlay video. Let me go ahead and show you. So to add an overlay video, some editing apps call it PIP. So to add another video or to bring another video or picture under this video, I will have to go ahead and click on this overlay. When it brings you to this screen, this is your gallery. Again, we are back to our gallery. Either you go ahead and choose from the list of videos we have here, or if you want to add picture for illustration, then you can still go ahead and click on this side. All right, so let me go ahead and click back on video. So select another video, then I will click on add. Then that video has been added under the initial video I had here on my editing screen. So now I have both the main track video clip and the overlay video clip. So this is it. This first one is the main track, while the second one is the overlay. The one under is the overlay, while the one on top is the main track video clip. All right, so going back, anytime, let me go back. Anytime you click on any of these video clips here, both the main track and the overlay, anytime you click to highlight any of the video clips, the options down here will change. Let me show you. If I should click on this main track video, then the options down here have changed. Now these options here have now been activated for this particular video clip to work with. All right, so any change I use any of all these options or any of all these menus or any of all these tools here to do is going to take effect on this main video clip. Then if I should also tap on the overlaid video, the options also is still going to come out for the overlaid video editing process. All right, now this balloon here is the overlaid video I have here. So for me to reactivate this overlaid video here, I will have to click on this balloon to activate my overlaid video. So click on that balloon. Have you seen it? So that overlaid video is now back again. All right, so anytime you click on this video clip, whether the main track or the overlaid video, is going to bring out these options for you to start making changes on the video clip. All right, so that's it for playhead and main track video clip and overlaid video clip. Then again, for those people who might be venturing into reaction videos, this is how you react on your videos. Maybe sometimes you will like to silence a part of your video. Now, to silence this particular video clip on the main track, this is what you do. Click on the video clip, then look for volume. Either you look for volume here, then you reduce the volume, or if you do not want to do it that way, you can go ahead and click on this mute clip here. Once you click on mute clip here, any video on this main track, once you click on this mute clip, will be silenced. All right, so that's it. So let me go ahead and click on mute clip again. But before you mute your clip, make sure that either you have clicked on this video, then to duplicate it before you then mute part of it after reacting, then you can then go ahead and play the other part. Now let me show you how to duplicate your video clip. This is how you duplicate your video clip. Tap on the video clip, then scroll to the end, then you will see scroll left, then you will see this option here, duplicate. The work of this duplicate on your video or your picture or your audio file in the editing process is to make your video or to make your file appear into two places. The same file, the same thing, it will appear into two places. So you click on this duplicate. Have you seen it? So my video, still the same video, but it has appeared into two places. So I can now go ahead and silence this first one, then play the volume, then increase the volume to play the video to the end on this second clip. That is for reaction video content creators. All right, so that's how to duplicate your video. Then again, going further, these two arrows here backing each other, left and right. This one facing my left is undo, while the one facing right is redo. Now what does that mean? If you mistakenly make any change on your editing screen, or you mistakenly make any change on your video clip or on your editing file, then you don't want that change to take effect, or you don't want it to be there, what you are going to do is to click on this arrow back, this arrow left. As you can see, it says undo mute clip audio. So when you click on this arrow left, is going to undo any change you have done so far. Then if you still want that change to take effect, then you go ahead and click on this arrow right, then it will now redo what you have undone so far. All right, so arrow right is to redo what you have undone, then arrow left is to undo what you have done. Then going further, this play button here is where you click on to play to see the effect or to see the work you've done so far on your video, to preview your work so far before you export. Then this particular arrow here, this particular sign here, is what you click on to bring your video to full screen, or you click on it back to do what? To restore it back to its portable editing form. All right, then let's go back again. In our next video, we are going to be making use of these tools here, these options down here, to edit our videos. All right, so we are venturing into editing properly in the next video I will be posting later. So follow this page, like and comment. All right, and don't forget to share for others to benefit.